Hi, it's Mark and Eva. Here we are in our cabin on the Crystal Serenity, leaving Puerto Rico in December. And we have a penthouse suite, so you can see how beautiful and magnificent this is. Little sitting area and a beautiful closet, very large, really fantastic, with the bathrobes, the slippers, everything. And then the bathroom, which is just humongous, and it has a stall shower and a beautiful tub jacuzzi. And it's all marble floor, tile floor, marble tops. So you can see how well appointed this is. And here is the bedroom with a beautiful couch. Don't mind our luggage. King size bed. More space in case you have more clothes. And another writing desk, really. And a huge TV. As you can see, this is very well appointed. It's really beautiful. And then we have a fantastic balcony overlooking the Puerto Rican cruise port. So as you can see, you get a beautiful view here on the 10th deck. A couple of other cruise ships in. So it's really just magnificent. So come with us on the Crystal Serenity and cruises out on anywhere you want to go in the world. And if a cruise is not your thing, we can take you around the world through many other places. And here, it's just a nice welcome to us from Crystal. So come with us as we travel the world. We will travel it together and take you anywhere you need to go. Thank you.